Shut it down! anticapitalista, 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 anticapitalista.
Thank you.
Mayor 1% Rob Emanuel.
Mayor 1% Rob Emanuel.
Impolite company.
Impolite company.
I'll tell you what I call him later when we hug. Oh God, feedback. Close 6 of our 13 mental health clinics. And privatize the remaining ones. That means several people. No longer have access to mental health care. And therapy. That they desperately need. As a result of those closings. Several clients of those clinics. Have already committed suicide. In addition to the clinics, Rob Emanuel is turning around some of our public.
Beer.
That was my quote. I took it. Time you got?
That's just yours.
13:28.
I'm not singling you out of the way. I didn't need to wide angle. Thank you guys. Seriously.
Next person on stack. If the National Lawyers Guild speaker could come to the front, that'd be really great. The National Lawyers Guild speaker, if you could come to the front, please just move your way to the front. Thanks. Mic check. I would like to take this opportunity to thank President Barack Obama. Because without his lies and obfuscation of the truth, we would have no Occupy. The criminal George W. Bush administration did not create Occupy. It was the lies of Barack Obama that why we're here. It was the lies of Barack Obama why we're here. Sorry. And I would also like to extend a message to MoveOn.org. And Van Jones if you're out in the audience somewhere. We will not be co-opted. Get on the right side of history, liberals who enable this criminal administration. And free Bradley Manning. Where Barack Obama has been worse than the Bush administration. And that is persecuting whistleblowers. Right. It's right to expose war crimes. 4 years ago, we were told you have to support Barack Obama. Because the Republicans are much worse. I'm going to talk about the 3 Ds. Three ways that Barack Obama has been worse than the Bush administration. Drones, deportations, and drugs. Dylan and others talked about the million people deported under Obama.